So here is a quick video that is just showing you how to submit your KML or KMZ file when you're done building your tour. So again, you see all the place marks and all your data are stored on the left-hand side here under places. Under temporary places here, I have this tour I just built for Zion National Park, and you can see I added a series of place marks. If you double click on those, it'll zoom in, and there they are in the order I want them to be in. You can drag and drop those up and down to get the order right. Add information to each citations, some text describing what we're looking at. Once you're happy with the whole thing and you have a series of place marks in the right order, you can see how they're all underneath this Zion National Park tour folder. Right? When I collapse that, you see all the pins disappear. So if you can just right click on that and do save place as, not save to my places. Save to my places will just move this folder up into the permanent my places area up here out of temporary places. But save place as lets you save that folder, that whole folder, as a KMZ file. So I'm just going to save it to my desktop. It's called Zion National Park Tour. That's a fine name. I'll keep it like that and I'll hit save. And that saved that KMZ file to my desktop. And so if I go to my desktop, we'll be able to see it there. If I can find my desktop, too many things open, of course. There we go. There it is. There's the file. So then I would go to the class webpage and go to the Lab 3 assignment, and I would submit that, upload that KMZ file as your submission. And that's simply how you do that.